Good morning, dear children. Today we will solve some MCQs of lesson number 9 that I had also asked in Google Form test. So, the correct IUPAC name of this compound complex is, so let me write the correct name. It is diamine. As you see, alphabet mein amine will come, then chlorido and then nitro. So, diamine, chlorido, then nitrito, and N is the donating center, electron donating center. So nitrito, N, then platinum, and then oxidation state of platinum, that is 2. Second one is, which of the following complexes are homoleptic? Homoleptic means same kind of ligand. So as we see, this first one and this one, no, first one and third one, they both are homoleptic, same kind of ligand. Here ligand is different, ligands are different. So we will write the answer. Answer is 1 and 3. Next is, the spin-only magnetic moment of a complex K3MnCN6 is. So first we will find the oxidation state of manganese. So it is X minus 6 is equal to minus 3. Therefore it is Mn3. Oxidation state is 3. Then we will write Mn3 plus. Okay, you write here Mn3 plus. So Mn3 plus configuration if I will write. So it is argon, then 4s2, okay, argon 4s2, and what is 3d 5 1 2 3 4 5. First you write Mn in ground state, okay, ground state. So it is argon 4s2 and 20 and 5 25 35 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then we will write Mn3 plus. So 2 electron and 1 electron will be lost. So it is 3d4. 4s will be empty, and then let me draw the 4p. This is 4s, this is 4p, and this is 3d. So 3 electrons will be lost. So how many are left now? 1 2. So it will be 4s will be empty. So it will 1 2 3 4, 3 and 4 will be paired like this, because D3 is not possible. So they two will not be paired. Okay, D3 or hybridization is not possible. So how many ligands we have to fill now? MnCN6. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So hybridization is D2sp3. When it is D2sp3, then we will write how many unpaired electrons are there? 2. Therefore magnetic moment is equal to root over n plus 2, where n is the number of unpaired electrons. So it is 2 plus 2. So 2 4 to the 8. That means it is 2.8 bm is the answer. Correct? Next is, which is not an ambidentate ligand? Which is not an ambidentate ligand? Ambidentate यानी 2 centers of electron donation. So answer will be here C2O4. Rest others are ambidentate ligands. Like ambidentate कौन से हैं? Ambidentate are CN, then SCN, then NO2. Okay, but this C2O4 is not an ambidentate ligand. So next question is the hybrid state of Zn in Na2ZnCN4. So let me calculate the oxidation state of Zn. It is x minus 4 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2. So Zn 2 plus ion यानी बेटा 3d10 and 4s will be empty. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the orbitals are filled with the electrons in Zn2 plus state. Okay. Then what is asked? The hybrid state of Zn and CN4. 4 are there. So sp3 is straightforward here. sp3 hybridization. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 and 4 pair of electrons. So sp. So it is sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. Okay. So this is the status of zinc. Hybridization of zinc. Okay. Next is what is the oxidation state of chromium in this complex? So answer will be NH3. You know it is a neutral molecule. So x minus 2 minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 is equal to plus 1. Therefore x is equal to 3. Therefore oxidation state is 3. Oxidation state is plus 3. Next question is the hybridization involved in complex NiCN4 2 minus is, so nickel 28, nickel oxidation state is 20, number is 28. So x minus 4 is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to 2. Therefore nickel 2 plus we will write. Nickel यानी 28 यानी 26 only we have to write. So 3d 4s 2 plus 28, so 20 and 8. Okay, 8 electrons would be there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here what we see, it is a strong ligand. So in strong ligand it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. P3, P, 4s, 4p, 3d and 2 electrons are lost because it is a CN is a strong ligand. So pairing will be there. So pairing will be like this. The electrons will be paired and the 4 will be adjusted like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is S DSP2. sp2. When it is DSP2, shape will also change. The shape will be square planar. Okay. फिलहाल तो it is asked that what hybridization is there, so answer will be DSP2. Correct. Next question was the sum of coordination number and oxidation number of metal M. So what is its coordination number, beta? 2 2 ja 4, 4 plus 2 6. So coordination number is equal to 6 because 2 En is there. So 6 and oxidation number is equal to x minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3. So oxidation number is 3. Therefore total is equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Next question is which one of the following complex will show which will show optical isomerism. Optical isomerism. So 4 compounds are given here. I am writing directly the answer. That is C answer will be there. Cis COEN twice Cl2. Next will be 10th one. Amongst the following ions, which one has the highest magnetic moment? Amongst the following ions, which one has highest magnetic moment? So when you will calculate, children, the ions are, first one is CrH2O whole 6 3 plus, CrH2O whole 6 3 plus. B is FeH2O whole 6 2 plus. C is ZnH2O whole 6 2 plus, and D is FeCN6 CN6 3 minus. So out of these 4, when you will calculate, highest magnetic moment will be of Fe. Okay. How will you calculate? FeH2O whole 6 2 plus. No beta. So x minus 0 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. Therefore Fe 2 plus, and Fe का क्या है बेटा? 26. So 26 यानी 3D So 4s will be empty. 3D में कितने हो गए? 6 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. H2O is a weak ligand. So no pairing. When no pairing is there, there are 4 electrons unpaired. Therefore, magnetic moment is equal to root over n plus 2 is equal to root over 4 plus 2 is equal to root over 24. Okay, so this will be the highest magnetic moment out of these 4 complexes. The rest others you find by yourself, and you will find that this one is the correct answer. Okay, rest other questions I am taking in the paper only, and I am sending you the PDF. Go through this, and if any problem you can ask. Thank you.